Hello, my friends and family. I hope you can hear me all right. I'm outside and there's a bird that's screaming at my cat. Very upset. I'm out here, Wowwy'z workshop, thinking of my grandfather, who this piece is dedicated to. Dave Dibb, it's his funeral today in Alberta. So I'm just out here putting my love and everything into my art. And I thought, well, how about a little episode of What's Wowwy Working With? Also known as the spread. And I got this, so this little, I don't know if it's a purse. It's real Harley. It's a real deal. So it's this little bag. It also has a long leather strap, so I'm thinking it's probably a purse, but I don't care. All right, so I got my little Harley dealie, and in the straps hold my flex cut draw knife that my brother gave me. And so inside is where I keep my cutting stuff. So I got my gloves. It's always safeties, guys. Then I got flex cut knives, a little set of 4, and then I made these to keep on them so they don't cut me. I got my little stropping kit, and if you guys don't know, Flex Cut sells this little kit. Sorry. And it's for keeping them all sharp, and this really does work. All you gotta do is just do it to it. And then I have my little set of gouges and knives, and this little set here, Flex Cut again, has basically all that I ever need. See them all? And then you slide it into this little dealie. Very, very effective set. I highly recommend that. And then also in here, I got this little set here. I believe this was an Amazon thing, but you know, when we first get going, we just start buying stuff, right? We don't know what we're doing. And these may come in handy. You know, I don't have good lungs to begin with, so long story, but I won't be able to power carve forever. So it's good to always think about the other directions that your carving journey may take. And then in the bottom there are my other knives with the little things, just some cardboard taped, and then one of these little clips to keep it on there. You know, if you need to do something, get something done, just think of an easy way to MacGyver it. And then, oh yeah, in the very, very bottom here are a couple of these that came with the knife set. Again, I got my little, but yeah, little palm chisel gouge. So yeah, that's what Wowwy'z working with. Hope that was okay. Oh, and then in here I got this weird, I love antique tools and stuff from that era, and I don't really know what that is. I think it's to set holes, like a pilot hole or little setter. I don't know, but it's darn cool. All right, guys, I gotta zone out now and deal with what's going on inside me. Much love to all y'all. There is no YouTube without you. Thanks for tuning in.